This is a 2025, it's a Mustang EcoBoost, a 2.3 liter. We just did the axle back, muffler delete pipes on it, left it all stock up front, put some nice big black 4.5-inch exhaust tips on there to give it a nice bling to it. It's all stock up front. Factory emissions, of course. Comes a single to a split dual, as you can tell. Customer wants a little rumble to it. Might even wake up the dead. Let's see what it sounds like.